Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to solve past arches. Number 24. The system of linear equation x minus 2y plus kz equal to 1, 2x plus y plus z equal to 3x minus y minus kz equal to 3 has a solution x, y, z, z not equal to 0, then x comma y lies on the straight line whose equation is three x minus 4y minus 1 equals 0, 4x minus 3y minus 4 equals 0, 4x minus 3y minus 1 equals 0, 3x minus 4y minus 4 equals 0. So x minus 2y plus kz equal to 1, that will be 1. 2x plus y plus z equal to, that is 2. 3x minus y minus kz equal to 3. So it's very simple. Want to find the solution xy lies along any one of these four options. 1 plus 3 gives 3x plus x, 4x, minus 2y minus y, minus 3y, plus kz minus will be cancelled. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. See the option, this option B is correct. If one one zero one into 1201 1301 etc. 1 n minus 1 0 1 equal to 0 178 0 1. Then inverse of 1 n 0 1 is option A Option B. One minus 12, 0 1. Option C. 1 0 13, 1. Option D. 1 0 12, 1. So you have to multiply this n minus 1 matrices. If you multiply first these two matrices, 1 into 1, 1, 0, okay. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1, here 0, 0, 2, 1. Into 1, 3, 0, 1, 1, n minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 78, 0, 1. If you multiply these two matrices, what will happen? 1 into 1, 1, then 0, no problem. 1 into 3, 3, 2 plus 1 to 1, 2 plus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So, if we multiply 3 matrices, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 in this place. There is no change in other places. Like that, if we continue like this, 1, n minus 1 plus n minus 2, etc. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 0, 1 equal to 178, 0, 1. Which implies 1 into sum of n natural numbers. Here sum of natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2. Here sum of first n minus 1 natural numbers, that means n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So n minus 1 into n by 2. So in this place n minus 1 into n by 2 for this sum. Then we have 0, 1. One 78, 0, 1 equating n minus 1 into n by 2 equal to 78. N minus 1 into n, it is 156. N squared minus n minus 156 equal to 0. You factorize 156 minus 13, 12. So n minus 13 into n plus 12 equal to 0. N equal to 13, n equal to minus 12. So n not equal to minus 12. therefore n equal to 13. Therefore 1 n 0 1 equal to 1 13 0 1. So let it be A. So we have to find A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Determinant A 1 13 0 1, that is 1, which is not equal to 0. Adjoint of A, you interchange the elements, again you will get 1 1. Change the sign here, minus 13 0. You interchange the elements in the main leading diagonal or main diagonal. Change the sign of the elements in the second diagonal, that is this one. So A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A, that is 1, no issue, into adjoint of A 1 minus 13 0 1. Option A is correct. Next one. If the system of equations two x plus 3y minus z equals 0, x plus ky minus 2z equals 0, and 2x minus y plus z equals 0, as a non-trivial solution x comma y comma z, then x by y plus y by z plus z by x plus k is equal to minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4, minus 4 and 1 by 2. So 2x plus 3y minus z equal 0, let it be 1. X plus ky minus 2z equal to 0, okay, let it be 2. 2x minus y plus z equal to 0, that is 3. Since the given system is homogeneous, to have non-trivial solution, we must have delta equals 0. For non-trivial solution, delta equal to 0, which implies 2, 3 minus 1, 1 k minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1 equal to 0. So, expand this determinant. 2 into k minus 2, then minus 3 into 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, again minus 1 into minus 1 minus 2k equals 0. 2k minus 4 minus 15 plus 1 plus 2k equals 0. 2k plus 2k, 4k, 19, that is 18. 4k equal to 18. K equal to 18 by 4, that is 9 by 2. X plus ky minus 2z equals 0, which implies x plus 9 by 2 into y minus 2z equal to 0, since k equal to 9 by 2, which implies 2x plus 9y minus 4z equal to 0. Let this equation be 4. Adding 1 and 3, what will happen? 2x plus 2x, 4x, plus 3y minus y, plus 2y, minus z plus z, equals 0. Here 2x plus y equal to 0. 2x equal to minus y. X by y equal to minus 1 by 2. So take x by y equal to minus 1 by 2. Result. So 2x plus 9y minus 4z equals 0, that is fourth equation. Okay. So take this one, 2x plus 9y minus 4z equal to 0. Three into 4, 6x minus 3, 8x minus 4y plus 4z equals 0. 8x minus 4y plus 4z equals 0. Adding, this will be cancelled. 10x plus 5y equals 0. So in this case also again we will get x by y. So 10x equal to minus 5y, xy equal to minus 5 by 10, that is also minus 1 by 2. So no need to find, just we have found the results already there. You take fourth one, 2x plus 9y minus 4z equals 0. You take this one, 2x minus y plus z equals 0. Subtracting, this will be cancelled. 10y minus 5z equals 0. 10y equal to 5z, y equal to y by z equal to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. So y by z equal to 1 by 2. So 2x plus 3y minus z equals 0. We need xz. You multiply 3 by this one by 3 by 3, 6x multiply third equation by 3, 6x minus 3y plus 3z equals 0. Adding 8x plus 2z equal to 0. So 8x equal to minus 2z, x by z equal to minus 2 by 8, that is minus 1 by 4. So x by z equal to minus 24. We need z by x, that is minus 4. So x plus y plus x by y plus y by z plus z by x plus k equal to the value of x by y minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 plus 9 by 2. So this will be cancelled. So minus 8 plus 9 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So option D is correct. The total number of matrices zero, 2y 1, 2x y minus 1, 2x minus y 1. X comma y belongs to R as x not equal to y, for which A transpose into A equal to 3 identity 3, that is identity values of order 3 is option A 4, option B 3, option C D 2, option D 6. A transpose into A equal to I. So 0, 2x, 2x, 2y, y minus y. 1 minus 1, 1. That is transpose of A. Again transpose 0, 2x, 2x, 2y, y minus y, 1 minus 1, 1. 3 into I3, 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. 4x squared plus 4x squared, 2xy minus 2xy, 2x minus 2x, 2xy minus 2xy, 4y squared plus y squared plus y squared, 2y minus y minus y, 0 minus 2x plus 2x, 2y minus y minus y, 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Eight x squared 0 0 0 6y squared 0 0 0 3 equal to 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. So 8x squared equal to 3. X squared equal to 3 by 8. X equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2 root 2. 6y squared equal to 3. Y squared equal to 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Y equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Since x we have plus or minus, y also have plus or minus, there are 4 pair of allies. Root 3 by 2 root 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 root 2, minus 1 by root 2, minus root 3 by 2 root 2, 1 by root 2, minus 3 by 2 root 2, minus 1 by root 2. There are 4 possibilities. So so for these different values of x and y, we have 4 different values for x and y. So 4 matrices can be formed satisfying A transpose into A equal to 3 into I3. Option A is correct. Has infinitely many solutions. Then the value of lambda plus mu. So we can find this, we can solve this sum using rank method. It will be easy for us. So matrix 1 1 1, 1 2 2, 1 3 lambda, x y z, 5 6 mu. We form augment matrix AB 1 1 1 5 1 2 2 6 1 3 lambda mu. One 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 1 2 2 1 3 lambda. Here 5 6 mu. Applying 1 1 1 5 R2 minus R1. R2 implies R2 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0. Here 1 1 1. R3 implies R3 minus R1. 1 minus 1 0 2 lambda minus 1 mu minus 5. So we want to bring this in the echelon form. So 1 1 1 0 1 1, here 5, 1, okay. Want to make this element into 0. R3 implies R3 minus 2R2, 0, lambda minus 3, mu minus 7. For infinite many solution, rank of A should be equal to rank of augment matrix less than 3 equal to number of unknowns. Rank of A equal to rank of A comma B equal to when lambda minus 3 equal to 0, mu minus 7 equal to 0. So which implies lambda equal to 3, mu equal to 7. Lambda plus mu equal to 3 plus 7, 10. Option A is correct. Let lambda be a real number for which the system of linear equations x plus y plus z equal to 6, 4x plus lambda y minus lambda z equal to lambda minus 2, 3x plus 2y minus 4z equal to minus 5 has infinitely many solutions. Then lambda is a root of the quadratic equation option A lambda square minus lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Option B lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 4 equal to 0. Option C lambda square plus lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Option D lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 4 equal to 0. For infinitesimal solution, you know delta equal to 0. So that 1 1 1 4 lambda minus lambda 3 2 minus 4 equal to 0. One into minus 4 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 1 into minus 16 plus 3 lambda plus 1 into 8 minus 3 lambda equals 0. So minus 2 lambda plus 16 minus 3 lambda plus 8 minus 3 lambda equals 0. So minus 8 lambda plus 24 equal 0. 24 equal to 8 lambda. Lambda equal to 24 by 8, that is 3. Lambda equal to 3 satisfies lambda squared minus lambda minus 6 equal to 0. Among 4 options, this one will be satisfied by lambda equal to 3. Option A is correct. Next one, sum of 30. B equal to 5 to alpha 1 0 to 1 alpha 3 minus 1 is the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix A then the sum of all values of alpha for which determine A plus 1 equals 0 is A equal to minus 1, option B 1, option C 2, option D 0. So B is the inverse of A. B is inverse of A. So determine B equal to determine A inverse, that is equal to 1 by determine A. Determine A plus 1 equals 0. So that determine A equal to minus 1. Therefore 1 by minus 1 equal to minus 1. Therefore determine b equal to minus 1. Now find determine b. 5 to alpha 1, 0 to 1, alpha 3 minus 1. Using first column we can expand. Minus 2 minus 3 plus alpha into 2 alpha minus 2. So minus 25 plus 4 alpha minus 2 alpha squared minus 2 alpha. So determine b equal to minus 1, which implies 2 alpha squared minus 2 alpha minus 25 equal to minus 1. Two alpha squared minus 2 alpha minus 24 equal to 0. Which implies alpha squared minus alpha minus 12 equal to 0. Sum of the roots, sum of all values of alpha is nothing but sum of the roots minus b by a, that is minus of minus 1 by a, that is 1, minus coefficient of alpha divided by coefficient of alpha square, that is 1. So option B is correct. If A is symmetric matrix and B is a skew symmetric matrix, such that A plus B equal to 2, 3, 5 minus 1, then AB is equal to option A 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4, B 4 minus 2 1 minus 4, C minus 4 2 1 4, option D minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 plus 4. So A is symmetric matrix, that is A dash equal to A. A dash means transpose of A. B is symmetric, skew symmetric, that is B dash equal to minus B, or B equal to minus B dash. So sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, that is 2, 3, 5 minus 1. Let it be X. So X can be written as sum of skew symmetric and symmetric matrix. So X equal to A should be equal to X plus X dash by 2, B equal to X minus X dash by 2. Any matrix can be expressed sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So if A is a matrix, it can be written as P plus Q. P equal to 1 by 2 A plus A dash, Q equal to 1 by 2 A minus A dash. This is a concept we have discussed already. So this is a sum of symmetric and skew matrix is equal to the matrix X. So A should be X plus X dash by 2, B should be X minus X dash by 2. That is A equal to 1 by 2, 2, 3, 5 minus 1 plus 2, 5, 3 minus 1. 1 by 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 3, 8 minus 2. 2, 4, 4 minus 1. So A equal to 2, 4, 4 minus 1. Then we need B 1 by 2, 2, 3, 5 minus 1 minus 2, 5, 3 minus 1, X minus X dash 1 by 2, 0, minus 2, plus 2, 0. That is 0, minus 1, 1, 0. So B equal to 0 minus 1, 1, 0. AB 2, 4, 4 minus 1, B 0 minus 1, 1, 0. 0 plus 4 minus 2 plus 0, 0 minus 1 minus 4 plus 0. That is 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4. Option A is correct. The system of linear equations 2x plus 2ay plus az equal to 0, 2x plus 3by plus bz equal to 0, 2x plus 4cy plus cz equal to 0, where a comma b comma c belongs to R or non-zero, and distinct as a non-zero solution then 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. ABC are in AP, sorry, GP. A plus B plus C equal to 0. Option D, ABC are in AP. For non-zero solution, the delta value equal to 0. So, you form the delta 2A, 3B, 4C equal to 0. So, in the first column you can find 2 is a common factor. So, it can be taken out 1, 1, 1, 2A, 3B, 4C, ABC equal to 0. So, twice if you expand 3BC minus 4BC minus 1 into 2AC minus 4AC plus 1 into 2AB minus 3AB equal 0. Expanding along first column. So 2 cannot be 0. 3BC minus 4BC, that is minus BC plus 2AC minus AB equal 0. 2AC equal to BC plus AB plus BC. 2AC by ABC equal to BC by ABC plus AB by ABC. Here 2 by B equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C, which means 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. So, we will see more problems in the next class. Thank you.